Hello guys, I'm here again, the Repolyo girl. Today, I will show you what I apply to my hair to have a long, thick hair. Actually, I do this twice a month. So, what we need is bowl, coconut oil, 2 tablespoons, citron juice or lemon juice, half tablespoon, and the last is vinegar. Half tablespoon of vinegar. Mix it well. Then, warm up a second, not really hot, because it is nice to massage to your scalp and it absorbs well. So, lightly massage to your scalp. And until to the tip of your hair. When all is covered, as shower caps or plastic, if you don't have shower caps, for me, I prefer to use plastic so I can save money, and yeah, anyway, I have to throw it away after. So I'm here again, ta-da! It looks like this. So, now all is covered with plastic. Then you have to wait for half an hour. After half an hour, wash it with lukewarm water and a shampoo. So, that's it. Enjoy for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. And God bless you.